Yo Sol, t'as tous on se retrouve dans une toute nouvelle vidéo dans encore de Walking Dead Saints and Sinners. Les amis, on va continuer notre histoire maintenant. Donc dans l'épisode précédent, les gars, on a mis le régulateur de pompe, le deuxième. On a fait bien évidemment la guerre. On a eu beaucoup d'objets. On est très très riche maintenant. Donc là, on va continuer. On va voir ce que Casey va nous dire.
Yeah. What is it?
Ok.
Something's really been bugging me. I'm wondering if you could dig up some answers.
I'm game.
Bien sûr.
What do you need dug up?
Je suis là.
I need some information on what happened to the people who were in the reserve with me. The other members of my squad. When the water pressure was getting too much for the bunker to handle, sections of it started to lock down. We analyzed the systems and we were able to pinpoint the issue. They went off to fix it and left me behind in the reserve. But then the whole place locked down, trapping me inside. I tried to reach them by radio, but I got no response. I need to know what happened to them after they left.
Ok.
Where did they need to go to fix the problem?
Near Rampart High School. Honestly, what happened to my friend Kenneth is what concerns me the most. We were close. The other three, we didn't part on the best terms. We didn't see eye to eye.
Tell me about your friend Kenneth.
He was like a big brother to me. Stood up for me when everyone else in here was out of their fucking minds.
Mhm.
What's the point you're trying to make, Casey?
They made a fucked up decision, okay? Kenneth and I were not cool with it, but they did it anyway. Let's just leave it at that. I'm not in the mood to get into it. Past is the fucking past. If you wander over to Rampart High, maybe you can dig something up. The gym is probably the best place to start. There was a disaster relief camp there that they were going to search. Find out if Kenneth made it. That's all I'm asking. Maybe it'll help me sleep better. Maybe not.
Ok.
I'll keep my ears peeled for what we need in the meantime.
Ça marche. Ok, donc là il nous demande d'aller checker sur son ami Kenneth. Donc ok. Allons together. Travel to Rampart. D'abord on va faire celui-là. Lui. C'est tout beau. Ah, je peux le mettre. Celui-là. Lui, le 9 mm. Je sais pas. Là, on va prendre le risque. On y va directement. On va prendre un bandage. Au cas où. Donc, c'est parti. Ah, il fait nuit. Eh oui. Il fait nuit, les amis. J'ai oublié de dormir. C'est parti, on va dormir, même si ça fait perdre beaucoup de temps, des jours. C'est le 14e jour maintenant. The dead have grown in number. Les rôdeurs, sont le nombre de rôdeurs ont augmenté. Donc là c'est parti, on est tôt le matin, on va faire notre boulot. Espérons arriver quelque part. Ok. Je vais faire to Rampart. Ça me fait la même chose que dans l'épisode précédent. Je m'en rappelle très bien. Ok. On va... L'ancienne ville. Allez. Petit chargement. Oh là 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 là. Je suis jamais venu ici. C'est très très beau. Ok. Ok les gars, donc... Sincèrement, je sais pas... Il faut trouver ce petit endroit, petite porte qui mène sûrement à la maison. Ok. J'aime bien le niveau. Prévenez-moi quand même. Allez, viens toi. Allez. De mon couteau. Ah, allez, c'est visé. C'est ça. Enfin. Ok. Là, je sais pas si on peut. On peut. On va laisser tranquille. Regarde, je pense pas que c'est ici. J'ai l'impression que cette porte doit aussi s'ouvrir. On y va. Allez, allez. Ok, il y a des gens.
Quit poking around.
Don't hang around too.
Get the hell out.
Hey, calmez-vous les gars. Je reviendrai plus tard.
I suggest you get lost.
Ben non, je leur laisse la porte grande ouverte.
Find somewhere else.
On s'en fout s'il y a des autres qui rentrent chez nous. Oh là là, il y en a beaucoup. Oui, c'était vraiment ce qu'il me fallait. Incroyable. J'essaie d'en tuer. Non. Et voilà. C'est maintenant qu'il se casse. Bon. C'est parti, on va juste se déguiser parce que là, les amis, j'ai pas d'armes, je vous cache pas. Ça va être peut-être compliqué. T'inquiète pas. Hein. Ok, là on va devoir tourner. Je vais essayer de regarder la maison bleue ici. Pas grave. Qu'est-ce que tu veux toi? Peut-être ça ici.
These things just keep coming! Walker, bring it!
On parle de peu de chance.
Shit. Someone's close.
Is that a spleen on your shirt?
Allez, taisez-vous les gars. On va voir ce qu'ils font. Bon.
Walker on me! Eyes up the door!
Nothing better to do?
Les gars, les gars, c'est... Je sais pas. On va voir s'il y a une maison où il y a beaucoup de feuilles dessus.
Scanning the area.
Who's there?
C'est toi. Oh les gars, c'est ici, c'est ici. Ok. Bon, c'est très dommage. J'ai un couteau. Je vais tenter un petit truc les amis. Je vais leur balancer la bombe. D'ici, il m'en reste qu'une seule. Par contre. Hop là. Maintenant je me barre. Mais je ne sais pas si ça les a tués. Calmez-vous. Oh.
Can't hide forever. Hey, get the fuck out of here! Get away with it!
Ok. C'est juste celle-là, les gars. Non, je vais le mettre dans mon sac. Ah oui, j'ai oublié les amis. Ok. Intéressant ça.
Don't hang around too long.
Ok.
Walker in sight! Finish it
D'accord.
quick!
C'est dommage.
Second time's the charm!
Ben, je sais pas comment faire. Je ne sais pas comment faire.
Sneaking around.
Allez, on se barre. Très important. Oui. Ils sont plusieurs à me suivre. Moi je vous dis au revoir. Non. Bon les gars, je suis un peu en cercle. Oh là 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 là. Je vais couvrir un petit peu. Oh là 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 là. On y va. On va partir. Il n'y a pas de regarder en arrière. Et lui. Bon, allez. On court. On est arrivé, les amis. Par contre, je sais pas comment faire avec... On y va. On retourne à la maison ou à l'endroit safe. On va directement déposer le truc dans... Ah, j'ai cru entendre un bruit là. Donc on va directement déposer ce qu'on a trouvé. Ce que May nous a dit de trouver dans la tente.
This map is all the proof we need. Clear to me that justice was served. Gary and Adil's denials don't outweigh Steve coughing it all up, including the map. And frankly, I don't give a shit who was the mastermind. I stand behind pinning it on Gary, but they all earned the walk. Human hunting grounds.
Okay.
Twisted fuckers. Let all this tick stuff go. Took care of it. Big picture focus from now on.
Let's
Georgia.
go. Donc. Déjà on va dormir. On va voir si ils nous disent de faire passer le temps jusqu'à ce que la lampe s'allume. Donc c'est parti. On va dormir. Allez, bonne nuit les gars. 15e jour, ça passe très très vite. Ok. Ils nous disent d'aller investiguer. On va voir ce qu'il y a dedans. Bien évidemment, c'est allumé. Comme on peut constater. Encore et encore. Je pense.
My husband was innocent. I don't give a damn what was on that map. Doesn't prove a thing. Georgia has such a stranglehold on the tower. She could say the sky was green and made of jello, then everybody behind the wall would nod, smile, and get out their spoons. Not me.
No.
And not my daughter. I'm going to prove to Umbra that we can rise above it all. That we can remain in truth. Which brings me to a confession, tourist. I didn't tell the full story of how I got the reserve key. Umbra called me out for omitting a critical detail. I am raising the kid right, I guess. To get the key, I had to hurt someone. Real bad. A dear friend. I almost killed her. In the moment, it felt like the right thing to do. No question. But I regained my senses for my daughter's sake. I could see her eyes pleading with me from across the room. Stop, Mommy. This isn't right, they said. I was ashamed. I had succumbed to what the tower had become under George's influence. A breeding ground for betrayal, forcing people to turn against each other to survive. Sad thing is, I'd do it again in a heartbeat. Not proud of it, but it's true. There is a line with me, and when it's crossed, it does not matter who you are. I will do whatever it takes to defend what I know is right and protect my daughter. So now, you know exactly who you're dealing with, tourist. No bullshit. Like before, the drawing will point you to the cache. Beyond the location, the next cache is a mystery to me. No clue what might be in there. All I've heard is that it's quite a haul. May.
Ok, il y a pas beaucoup de munitions là-dedans. Et je sais pas, ça prend quoi comme munitions de... Non. On peut pas reprendre les munitions, c'est dommage. Vous voyez, c'est dommage. On va aller très vite le recycler. Endurance à moitié. On va manger. Pas bon. Oula. Ah oui, j'ai oublié les gars. C'est un réflexe. Donc là, on va partir. Espérons que ce soit je peux partir. Parce que avant, ben, ça me permettait pas, ça m'autorisait pas. C'est bien. Avant. Ok. Je peux y aller. C'est perfetto. Ami. Allez. Oh là 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 là. Ho, 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 ho. Ok. Ah les gars, ici c'est... On va rentrer. Oh. Le pôle. Ça. les gars, on va essayer de voir par où on peut rentrer. On va prendre notre pistolet, on sait jamais. On peut rentrer par là. On peut escalader. On peut escalader, les amis. Allez, en vrai, les gars. Ah oui. Non. Je suis obligé. Sinon, ben, je vais t'infecter un petit peu. Je vais tomber malade. Et on va passer. Ouais, les gars, on peut rentrer par là donc. On peut. Je suis dessus. Là. Oh, là, là, ça va être un petit peu compliqué. C'est parti. Allez. Allez. Non. Mais non, ne dis pas que c'est... Oh lolo. Oh les gars, il est mort. Je sais pas ce qu'il veut exactement.
Casey with the goddamn wine. I'm about to put my fist through his teeth. We did what we had to do. Live with it. End of story. How the fuck that beanpole made it through basic is beyond me. Soft as a melted fucking marshmallow. Different story with Kenny. I respect the guy, but that doesn't mean he gets a pass. The questioning has to stop. We had to protect what was rightfully ours. This bunker is our home. The supplies are our lifeline. If we did not defend it, we'd have all been dead within 2 weeks. Now we can last months, maybe longer. We can survive this. A brutal decision was made, but we have to fucking stand by it, unified. If Kenny and Casey don't fall in line soon, I'll have no problem marching them out of the bunker door with a gun to the back of their heads.
Ouais les gars, écoutez très bien ce qui se passe. Yo! Y'a quelqu'un? Oh! Oh! Ouais les gars? Allez viens. Les gars. Oh lolo. Ils sont beaucoup. Il est juste là, lui. Viens.
Wasn't about to let those bastards steal all our shit. It's dog eat fucking dog now, and I'm the mama pit bull.
Foster and Trin understand what's up. When you go through something like that together, something that ugly but necessary, you develop a bond to the group, no doubt. The other two? Fuck them. They don't get it. Casey acting like he's innocent. Bunch of bullshit. And Kenny with his moral high horse routine, not gonna put up with it much longer. I'm watching. They so much as blow a fucking fart in my direction, I'll put their asses down. Zero hesitation. Only the ruthless will survive this shit.
Ah. Malheureusement, là, c'est qui qu'on a trouvé? On a trouvé Jess. J'entends du bruit vers là. Oh non. C'est pas bien. Il est là. Shut up. Oh les gars, ça fait peur. Eh, venez ici! Vous êtes où? Ils sont là-bas. Juste derrière la porte, les amis. Bon les mecs. Mais attendez. Comment je vais faire. Là j'ai cherché partout là, pour à mon avis, les gars. Viens ici, toi. Hey. J'ai cherché, mais... Regardez les gars. Attendez, on va voir ça jusqu'où. Peut-être c'est Kenneth ça. Oh là là. C'est triste. Ok. Et aussi ils sont morts. Tout le monde ici est mort, les gars. Eh oui. Of the Wildcats. Ok, regardez les gars. Merci. Même s'ils sont morts. Bon les gars, j'ai l'impression... je ne sais pas il est où. Okay. Oh, ah oui, j'ai oublié de... Oui. Il est en vie?
Didn't think I'd ever see another human being again.
Oh, il est en vie.
You're not looking so good. What happened to you?
Ceiling collapsed on me. Was scavenging. Happened fast. Been stuck here a while. At first, thought I might survive, but I'm not gonna make it. Know that now. Who are you?
People call me the tourist. So let's go with that.
The tourist. Huh. My name is Kenneth. In case you give a shit. I'm in agony here. Feels like my insides are getting eaten by a billion bugs. Was wondering if you could do me 2 favors?
Absolument.
Sure. I'll listen.
First favor is the simple one. When our chat is through, kill me. The second one is to relay a message. If the little bastard is still alive, National Guardsman, like me, named Casey, my squad mate left him behind in the bunker. Can you maybe get him on a radio? Frequency 61. Say, waterfall.
Casey asked me to look for you. He's alive. In the bunker. He wanted to know what happened to you and the rest of the squad.
Casey's alive, huh? That's good to hear. I didn't give him much chance, honestly. Thought he'd have blown his brains out by now, or shriveled away to nothing. Guess I underestimated him. If you make it back to him, tell him these few things for me. Tell him he's a good guy. The guilt, it's not his. Tell him to let it all go. What happened at the bunker? He needs to wipe his brain clean. Tell him Kenneth set things right. Killed Trent, Jess, and Foster. Okay? You need to write it down or something?
I'll remember everything. Don't worry. But I am curious. What happened at the bunker?
Fuck it. I've got nothing to hide. We killed dozens of innocent people. Civilians trying to get into the bunker. When all the shit with the dead walking started to go down, we had orders to keep everyone out of the bunker.
Okay.
I don't know why. It didn't make any sense. But when it got too tense, we freaked. We mowed them down. Vietnam-style shit. Casey just stood there. Like a ghost. That fuck Foster started screaming at him to open fire with the rest of us. Later I asked Casey if he fired. He said that he pulled the trigger because he was scared that if he didn't, we'd all turn on him, add his body to the pile. He said he aimed his gun up in the rafters of the church. I believed him. He begged me not to tell the others. He didn't trust them. But he trusted me. We were friends.
Ah oui.
Listen,
Ça fait de la peine.
my brain is it's getting foggy. I'm seeing shit. I don't know how many words I got left. End me. Please.
Non, je peux pas.
I've heard enough, Kenneth. I'll tell Casey we spoke. Tell him everything you wanted him to know.
That's mighty nice of you, Uncle Tommy. Before you go to the bowling alley, blow my fucking brains out, yeah? That's the only way to remain human all the way to the end, right?
Oh les gars, je sais pas si je le fais. Il m'a fait de la peine. Oh lolo. Donc on va faire un petit tour. On va essayer de chercher Train. Non. Je vais essayer de chercher. Je vais faire un tour. S'il se transforme, je le termine. J'ai plus trop le temps, je vous cache pas.
Don't leave me like this!
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Je suis là. Oh là là.
Don't!
On voit rien du tout. Je sens qu'il va se passer un truc. Il a plus de lumière ici. On va essayer de faire tout doucement les amis. Attention, on peut escalader. Non. On va ouvrir cette porte. Il n'y a que des petites souris ici. Oh là là. Ok les mecs, on entre en mission. Ouais, il a besoin d'un pied de biche ou quelque chose de genre. Je sais pas jusqu'à là. Ah, c'est lui! Ah, il y en a deux! sert à quoi la clé? Because an engraving literacy becomes knowledge, knowledge becomes power. Ça, les gars, ça peut être très utile. Il y a une sorte de chambre secrète quelque part. Oh, tu m'as fait peur. Oh là là On y va? Oh là là, ça... Un peu de l'air. Mais on est les meilleurs. C'est parti, ici c'est juste une fin. Et ici il y a une porte. Ouais. Oh les gars, il reste... Oh là 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 là, il faut vraiment que je me dépêche. Attendez, peut-être je trouve le dernier là. Juste ici. Non. Oh les gars, vous êtes beaucoup d'idées. Il reste pas beaucoup de temps. Il reste pas beaucoup de temps. Oh, il y a quelque chose ici. Attendez, ok. Ça, je vais à l'intérieur. Les gars, je peux pas tuer Kenneth. Je peux pas, les gars. Vas-y, toi. Bah oui, c'est le même endroit où vous... Allez, on va chercher. Parce que là, je risque de... Tout simplement. Ouais, je te vois quand même. Ah, par contre, lui, je suis obligé de le tuer directement avec le pistolet. Oh, il m'a frappé. Oh là là. Ok. C'est parti les gars, c'est parti. Vous allez voir ce qui va se passer quand la montre va atteindre. On va se barrer. Casse-toi. Bah, la vérité, je veux pas rester ici trop longtemps. Ok. Bon les gars, je vais essayer juste de faire perdre le temps, juste pour vous montrer bien évidemment ce qui se passe. Ok. Il reste plus beaucoup de temps. J'aime bien cette arme. Il faudra les munitions aussi bientôt. Parce que là... 9. Ça va. Il reste combien de temps? Il reste quelques minutes, 2. Dans le jeu, pas dans la vraie vie. Enfin, je pense que peut-être c'est dans la vraie vie. Mais je n'ai jamais vérifié. Non, je suis pas sûr. Ça faisait quoi ça? Federal Emergency Management and Response. Ok. Comment je le rate? Ah, c'est impossible les amis. Oui, c'est ça là. Pourquoi je rate? Regardez les gars, il reste plus trop. Il reste 1 minute. Quelques secondes. Oh là là. Et toi, vas-y, viens. Hey! Vous voyez les gars? Vous voyez? En fait, on va partir. Maison. C'est parti. Parce que là, on va pas attendre longtemps. Ça ne sert à rien, c'est trop risqué. Donc, on est là. On est à la maison. recycler. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Peut-être des zombies toujours là. Ah si, c'est vraiment bizarre. Bon, vous savez quoi les amis, on va mettre ça juste ici. Juste ici. Ça, ben... Oh, je me disais la même chose, hein. Might look good in the boss. C'est-à-dire... Voilà, on va le mettre ici. Ok. Ça aussi, on les met tous ici. Ça aussi. Ça. Et puis ici. Bon, les gars, c'est bon.
You there, Casey? I'm back.
Hey, tourist. Did you discover anything?
I found Kenneth.
You did? Is he still alive?
He was. But he wasn't gonna make it. I left him to die.
You left him to die? That's messed up, tourist. There was nothing you could do?
Kenneth wanted to die, quickly. Trying to save him would have been cruel.
Shit.
Hey.
Rest in peace, Kenny. My friend. What did he tell you?
He wanted me to tell you something. You want to know what he said?
Yes, of course. What did he say?
He said you're a good guy. Not to feel guilt about what happened outside the bunker. To let the massacre go. He told me all about it. From his perspective. But I am curious about yours.
Well, if he told you what happened, why do you need to hear it from me? You know what you need to know, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you've told me my friend is dead, so we can move on, yeah?
I know it must be hard, Casey, to talk about it. But it's okay. Tell me what happened.
Yeah, you're right, tourist. It's not easy for me. There was a massacre. 36 people, at least. Civilians. Right at the reserve entrance. Innocent people that we should have been protecting. I should have done something to stop it, but I didn't. I stood there, a coward. And now I don't sleep. I have a nervous twitch in my right hand that gets more pronounced every day, and the guilt is like a 10-ton weight crushing my chest. Are you satisfied now?
Those are just facts, Casey. I already know the facts. What I need to know is your perspective on the whole thing. There's a reason why you can't sleep. You're twitching like a junkie and your chest feels like it's caving in.
Oh.
Okay, quit badgering me, please. I'll talk. Just give me a second to gather my thoughts. It's all fucking foggy. The whole thing escalated really fast. The first bullet was Foster. I wanted to scream no, but it's like I just left my body. Everything after that moment, it's like a nightmare. Jess and Trent started firing. Jess, she was smiling. Kenneth hesitated. He looked right through me, like he expected me to have his back. But I did nothing. So he started firing. After that, all I've been able to retain are weird details. Oh, the sounds, a hat, a cross. Man, sometimes when I'm here lying, trying to sleep, I can actually feel my fingers shaking on the trigger of my rifle, even though I haven't touched the thing since the day it happened.
A cross? Like in a church? What's that all about?
Yeah. It's fucking strange, tourist. I see it. Real close up. Everything around it is hazy. Bullets chewing it up. Splintering the wood. From my church back home. The one my mom used to drag me to. You know, but that makes no sense. Well, it's just my mind fucking with me. Guilt digging in deep, I guess. Fearing judgment.
What do you hear when the sounds come?
The sound of terror. Please. The gunfire. My own shouts. The thump of bodies hitting the floor. This cacophony will just swell up inside my head when I least expect it. This chaos. But I can still pick out every single fucking sound. I just can't shake it.
You mentioned a hat. What hat?
There was this old man, shielding his wife. He had on this bright blue fishing hat, and I watched a flurry of bullets rip it right off in this spray of blood and skull. And this fucking hat, I swear to God, it's the exact same hat my uncle used to wear. And the bullets drove it into the wall, and it hung there for a second, dripping. And then it flopped onto the floor. The image, I can't get it out of my head. I'm worried it'll be there forever. And I keep thinking, was it me? Did I shoot those bullets?
You never know for sure, Casey.
That's exactly right, tourist. And I can't fucking deal with that.
Get it out of your head or drown it all out with something else. We don't have the time or the energy for a pity party, Casey.
Sorry, I don't know if I can turn it off. Not everyone is like you.
Own it. Swallow it. Whatever you need to do for yourself so you can move the fuck on. There are certain realities at play in this swamp. Accepting them is the difference between life and death. If you want me to stick around, I need you to get your shit together.
Easier said than done, tourist.
Right.
But I get your point. I suppose the guilt is nothing compared to the knee-deep water that keeps on rising in here. And at least I can take comfort in the fact that there's only one version of the truth left. And it belongs to me, I guess.
Parce que c'est trop long et je suis pas capable de tout traduire parce que moi aussi j'ai besoin d'écouter ce qu'il dit. Parce que comprendre l'histoire.
The choice is yours to make, Casey.
Thanks. Look, tourist, this little chat, it's worn me the fuck out. And I've got rewiring to do to keep from getting electrocuted next time I use this radio. Not that it really fucking matters. Doubtful I'm getting out of here alive. Without that key that has everyone riled up, this is all a waste of time.
Attends, la clé?
I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you later, I guess.
Oh, la clé, les gars. Et les gars, j'ai l'impression que j'ai déjà la clé, mais je ne sais pas pourquoi. Bon, malheureusement j'ai presque plus de batterie et je vais dormir et on se reverra dans le prochain épisode pour tout compléter, affronter une nouvelle aventure. Les gars, c'est vraiment triste, tout ce qui se passe là avec Kenneth. Ici, son histoire, etc. Et bon, vraiment, c'est même pas pour la vidéo ou quoi que ce soit, mais c'est vraiment. Il y a un sentiment quand vous jouez à ce jeu-là, les gars. Il est inexplicable. Vraiment, c'est incroyable. C'est vraiment incroyable, les gars. J'espère que vous aurez la possibilité de jouer à ce jeu. Et vous allez comprendre par vous-même. Bon. D'accord. On va se voir au prochain épisode. Bye bye guys.